Hi guys, this is Ford Figo BS6 diesel titanium version 2021 model. This is the key of the car. Nice key. You get a honeycomb grille in the front, normal halogen headlamps, no projectors there, and no fog lamps also in the titanium variant. Let me show you the side profile of the car. It looks the best from side in my opinion. You get alloy wheels, looks nice. This is how the car looks from behind. Let me show you the boot space of this car. It's not as big as the previous generation model, but it's quite usable. You get a light placement here, that's a nice touch. Your toolkit, parcel tray, and that's about it. Now let me show you the rear legroom in this car. The seat is adjusted to my height, and my height is 5'9" for reference. As you can see, I have plenty of space available. You can stretch your legs. The front seat is a little bit higher, so you can just stretch your legs. You get a bottle holder here, nothing on the side doors. Speakers, power windows, adjustable headrests. That's a nice thing because most of the cars are not offering these days. This is how the dashboard looks. It's quite decent. Let us go to the driving seat now. Here you can see the power window switches and the window lock for the rear passengers. This is the electronic ORVM's control. It's not retractable. Let me just turn on the ignition first. Now I can show you this. So you turn to this side and you can adjust the basic digital analog meters. That's what I like about this one. It has a feel of its own. You get push start button. There are steering mounted controls. Let me just turn on the car for you. You get nice piano black finish on this steering wheel as well as these door panels. The infotainment system is basic, comes with Bluetooth connectivity. You can see the gear knob, 12-volt charging, AC. Ford's AC are the best in class, that's for sure. I have been using the Ford Figo earlier model as well from 2014, and I was quite happy with that car. I still regret selling that. You get a little space over here. You can put your cell phone just like that. You can just adjust it. This is the Bluetooth mic. No mirror here. You get a mirror here on the passenger side. Nice bottle holders. plenty of storage spaces in the center for your key, your wallet, sanitizers these days. Stay tuned guys, I'm gonna be uploading my driving videos very soon.